What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you my 4-step process to earn your first $1,000 online if you have not earned any money online before. Or maybe you've just tried a bunch of different things and nothing seemed to be working for you right now. And these are the same processes that I followed that allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 sales job, or 9-to-9 really, that allowed me to be able to travel full-time as a digital nomad. Now I've been traveling full-time for the past almost 2 years and I still earn money online. I don't have to worry about being in an office space or being tied to a physical location. I can do my work from anywhere in the world. Now, I'm not saying that this 4 process will be easy, but if you follow them, it's going to be the framework that's going to simplify things for you, if you will. Now, without further ado, let us jump right into it. Now, the first process that you need to identify, the first thing you need to do in this 4-step process is to identify your strength. What is it that you can do? Now, the path that we want to follow is to build a kind of business online, to build a brand that we can then rely on to generate leads and to help people find us. You need to identify what are the things that you can do better than most people. Are you good on video? Are you good with writing? Are you good with audio? Now, for me, I realized that I was really good on video. I always liked being on camera. I always loved to communicate. It was one of the things that I did so well, and so naturally it just came to me that I wanted to do YouTube videos, and I was trying so hard for so many years before I actually found a breakthrough. But once I did, it was that thing that really gave me the confidence that I could actually make this online thing work, and I did. So you need to identify the thing that you're good with. A lot of people are not good with video. A lot of people are good with writing. If you like to write blog posts, if you like to write on LinkedIn or maybe Twitter, which is really huge right now. So you need to identify the thing that you're good at. If you're not good at writing and you're good with video, you are better off going the YouTube route. Now, if you're not good with video but you're good at writing, you're better off just writing on a platform like Twitter, build a following from there so you can build a personal brand where people can find you. Now, that is the first step. The second step is to actually start creating content. Now, content is so powerful, and in fact, it is the present and the future right now. Imagine the time that you spend every single day watching YouTube videos, watching your favorite creators. Imagine the time that you spend watching video reviews of products that you use every single day. Now, this is the same thing that we are trying to do. We're trying to build some type of notoriety. We're trying to build a following that people can trust, that people can rely on for information, for entertainment, and for education. Either one of those 3 things, which leads me to my next point, which is to create some type of value. Now, value, a lot of people think that, oh, you need to, teach people how to make $1 million online. No, value can come in so many different ways. If you entertain people, if you make someone laugh, that's a form of value. If you educate them about something like what I'm doing right now, teaching you the frameworks to actually build an online business, or if you educate them on something that they haven't, had any idea about before, that is a form of value. And you don't have to know everything. People think that before you can teach other people, you need to be miles and miles ahead. But I want to let you know right now that that is not the case. If you can take someone from where they are right now to where they want to be, taking them from point A to point B, it doesn't matter what level of expertise you have. As long as you can help them improve one thing in their lives or in their business, you are in a good place. You want to attach some type of value to the content that you create. Now, the next thing is to stay consistent. Now, consistency is something that a lot of people struggle with. I still struggle with it, especially on this channel right now. Of course, I have a second channel that I'm trying to, put all of my effort in. But on this channel, I want to teach people how to become independent, either financially or with their time or with their location, so that they can, live their dream lives and be anywhere in the world and still be able to earn money. Right? That is exactly what I want to do with this channel. So you need to stay consistent. You need to create content consistently so that you can grow your medium, whether that's YouTube or Twitter or LinkedIn or maybe even your blog. So that is exactly what you want to do. You want to stay consistent so you can have this growth over time. And the final thing that you want to do from that, you realize that as you start getting this notoriety and this following of people, then monetization becomes easier. You can either monetize by say you are doing YouTube videos. You can either monetize by getting YouTube AdSense. YouTube AdSense is just a partnership that exists between YouTube and creators. creators that allow YouTube to run ads on your YouTube channel so you can get paid from that. And that is one way to earn money. Another way through that is by partnering with other brands, which is affiliate marketing. Now, this is the number one way that so many people make money with when they're just getting started online. And that is one way that I did it when I was just getting my YouTube channel off the ground. Now, you might be thinking that you need to be having a lot of views or thousands of subscribers before you can do that, but you don't have to let that stop you. I started monetizing my YouTube channel when I had 250 subscribers. Now, let me say that again. I monetized my YouTube channel when I had 250 subscribers, and not by YouTube AdSense, because you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before YouTube can pay you any money. But I was partnering with the brands that I was already using. At the time, I was talking about dropshipping on my second channel and dropshipping through Facebook Marketplace. And I was able to share the same products, the same software that I used to run my business with the people that were watching my channel. So if you came on my channel and you saw me talk about a product that I'm using, a software that I'm using to run my business, and you asked me, what product are you using? What software is this? I would say go in the description, use my coupon code, and you get 20% off once you start using the software. And I would get 20% from the makers of the software for as long as you stay with them, for as long as you use that software. So that is the way that I was able to monetize my channel even before I got to 1,000 subscribers. But everything started with one thing: me showing up every day, me creating content, me staying consistent, and just focusing on one thing for a long period of time. And remember when I said at the beginning of this video that it's not going to be easy. I'm not saying that you wake up, tomorrow morning, you get $1,000 in your bank account. I'm saying that if you follow this framework that I laid down, it is a guaranteed way, a surefire way to get started making money on the internet. And if you do this right, if you give it a couple of months, you will be sure to see some results, because I have done it, thousands of people have done it, and I am sure that it will work for you as well. So if you have any questions about how to get started online, creating content, being confident in front of the camera, and all of this type of things, leave a question down in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to them. And thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.